This is empowerment. The mission, sustainable development. Enable economic progression, the vision, lift up and leverage. March in with collaborative work ethic, motivated to invest in community investment, invested in people. Agents of change, exchanging equality for change, they are leaders. Leading the way, call them global brigades in Honduras. They will work with business owners. Work to develop strategies for rural people and their families, empowering communities, creating solutions out of poverty holistically. Extending hands up, not hands out. They stand up by standing up for those without. Understanding the disparities, will do the best and act responsibly, responding to needs of education, health, and economy. A strategy of long-term change executed through short time frames, brick by brick they lay. Momentum to accomplish the work others began. Step by step they work to maintain life at its best for the disadvantaged. Empowerment. This is it.